Village Welder. Popular Jamaican movies. Starring Sister Petra, Ethic Boss, Josiah, Jeremy, Errol, Petra. Location: Kingston, Jamaica.
I don't understand this at all. From a week before last, me get blocks. And me a call him back, me can't get him again. I hope I don't can the boy that they can me do, you know. Me just try him back.
You have been redirected to the mailbox.
A be a voice message me I get. Be a voice message. The boy they want me and him in a things, you know.
You have been redirected to...
How me I go tell Errol this. And from day one, Errol tell me say don't give the boy the money. And Josiah him tell me so much lie. They tell me about say the boy we carry coming in no time and look what happened now. And me have to go tell Errol.
You have been redirected.
No sir. Errol. Hey,
man.
wake up the baby. Errol, wake up man. I want to say something to you.
What?
Errol, you don't know say me I try call Blocks. And Blocks now answer phone. From me get him week before last, me can't get him again and me I try every minute and me can't me not see him come with the gate. And me I try him back and it be a voice message like he lock off in your phone. Maybe I'll thief them thief in
You
your
have
phone.
been redirected to the mailbox of the...
I want you, you know. I want you, you know.
So why you raise a voice for me for?
But I want you. You see that friend the way you have when named Josiah, she a go put you in a big old mix up and big old problem.
What
And
you
that's
mean
why
by
you run
mix
go
up?
down there to carry my money, you know.
What you mean by mix
At
up?
2 months now, him say I make the gate and all, now me can't see no progress. And she now go down there and say at least you get one picture if she say he start the work or nothing. Me want you before you get you go down there, you know. And see where your car say now. You see where your car say now.
You realize how me quiet for you?
You see where your
You
car
realize how me quiet for you? Now me wake you up, right? Fi tell you say, the boy Blacks now answer the phone. And you jump up out of your sleep. You sleep in your deep sleep. You know.
So why you wake me
Show
up
you
and tell?
how, no, for show
Why
you
you
how
wake
you
me
love
up?
arguments.
Why you wake me up? Why you never
Oh,
go
you
deal
mean
with
say-
yourself? Since you make it reach to this stage. Why you wake me up out of my sleep and tell me about
Well,
this?
alright. You know, should have said that long time. More than you get up and trace me off.
Every minute you go down there say you lick head with Josiah. All you know say that the man charge for the gate. Anything what she tell you, you jump and say yes.
What you mean say anything she tell me?
All you know say she not try to thief something out of the money
Oh,
money
you
where
say
you
about
get.
the big old respectable woman. You
Yeah.
know, say if you stop saying something, you can't. Why you say that?
You see through and your money. You see through and you go out there go tile feet. And that's why you
I am going to pretend like I didn't hear.
Petra,
Me I say
if you
something
ever
to
know
you.
when I'm here this
No,
morning,
when they ask
if you ever know a devil
What devil I tell you say?
I tell you
No,
enough.
what in a which all? What you talking about? What you talking about? Look here.
But 2 months now, are you not showing no interest?
Oh, you mean some not show no interest? And tell me, I call the man from when and
A black say give money? Are you go down there
no,
and give
but
him
me
the money?
talk to Blacks already, and she said me can't talk to him, and me I call Blacks to find out.
The last
before
time when I
reach.
said to you, say you soon get it, and 2 months now, a 2 months it take to make one little gate. She have fear big old gate put up all long. Everything what she get, she go down there for him to do in run and do it. So why you're one delay now? Eh? You pay the money full. You're not supposed to see progress then. If he have other work. You understand? Don't take the money. Let me tell you, it's a welder man and furniture man. Boy.
You look like say you did just glad say. Me wake you up this morning like you have something in your stomach. I know you, you know. Me know you pretty well. You have something else in your stomach where you want to let out for me. Make you, as me say something to you, you're not even waiting till me finish the conversation. You jump down my throat.
But when am I stomach am my money me I talk about?
And me hear you say something about say it's because of you work your money. Why me take your money slight? Look here, are you alone at work your money? Me know say me nah work. Me nah go out and work. But me there and me work. I know my money too.
Yeah, but if I hear money,
you're supposed to clear the ear.
If I hear money, right? Why you not go down at Josiah and beat down her door every morning so you get result? Why you itch up in a house every minute she call you kiki. Just be a gigi. Petra, no.
So you have a problem with me and Josiah talk?
Me not have a problem.
No, you have a problem.
But why is problem when you feel sit down and chat to her on the phone?
No, but we are talking about the welder man.
No,
and
but
we are going to talk about me and Josiah kiki.
Yeah, but every morning you're there kiki over sitting.
Yes, true.
And you're not kiki over me gate. And that me I talk about.
So what?
On the gate put on.
So me not feel laugh. And that you try to say to me so me not feel laugh with my friend?
No, but why you don't talk to her about the gate then? Why every morning you when you come on to certain argument you are shun? You understand?
Me a shun.
I bet me go down and go deal with that, you know.
So you listen to my conversation when me a chat to my friend.
I bet me go down and go deal with it.
So if you want go on and go on. But look here, let me tell you something. Me not like them something with you, you know. Me don't like.
And when you talk to me, tone on your voice.
Tone on your voice.
It could be
then
too
look
loud.
here, me wake you up and I tell you something my hurt. And you just start jumping on my throat. So why you say me not have no feelings? Listen to me. Me hear you talk about say me no know why in your heart. Me glad me no know why in it, so keep it to yourself. No, try anything when you feel say in your heart. Wow, that hurt me. Try it. Off and puff. Try it.
If you know where devil tell me to do.
Well,
you let me tell you, Petra. You see,
take your hand out of my
answer no one.
Take your hand out of my face.
Nah, me go make you do no business to me. Because when you come on to business,
so,
you don't have a business head.
So,
you get things light, so you deal with things light. You understand?
That's gonna hurt me.
Every time you push you up, you get some
up.
business head. You do what you feel like to do.
You're wasting
You understand?
time.
But
You know,
if you
see, I
ever know
wasted
where
time.
devil tell
Take
me
your
to
hand
do
out
you
of
this
my
morning,
face. Take your hand out of
you
my
wouldn't like it.
Look here.
Let me go down there go talk to Josiah for my money.
Let me tell you something. Listen.
Don't make us start it in here.
What you mean say don't make us start it? Just because I not say nothing to you.
Yeah, you me tell you.
Come a pint up your hand in my face, boy. Don't do that again, you know. You hear me I say? And you make sure when you go down here talk to them with respect. Can you come go like you're bad man? You're bad man, me see you come pint up and in my face. You know say I run.
All is good, Pet.
You know say it is good.
All is good.
Yeah.
All is well.
Good. Yeah, it is well. You come in and come pint up. Where you not? You're a bad man? Sure. Let me just try him back. But anyway, why am I say him not even wrong? But it's the tone why am I talk to me? And I come pint up your hand in my face like you have something in your stomach and you want to get it out, so you just use that fear cuss me. Yo, you know who me already, you know. So don't even try. Don't try nothing not tell you cut about in the heart. You say you have to kick that in the heart. Come on, we'll tear you up. Oh, let me just try him back. I wake you up for just make you know what happened. You come and come load up him out the counter with me and just say kick up on phone. You can't stop me from chat to my friend. I'm a friend. Me didn't know say this when I go happen. Me know say you quarrel over everything. You quarrel over money, you quarrel over everything. So if me didn't know say you don't carry this thing, you think say me would have gear. Quarrel over an old piece of gate.
You have been redirected to the mailbox.
Lord Jesus, but this not sound right either. Lord God, I want me to go do that now. Jesus help me. What you saying to me? Oh Lord! Say brother Jane, goat eat down the whole of Manica farm? Hey! Seriously? Lord of mercy, be a problem in the village. Lord of mercy, help me, Jesus. But people tired of telling that man to put up in many goats. Could the amount of goat he have? He can't allow them for them yam down people place, so especially in this drought. Oh Lord.
What going on, honey?
Brother Jane goat eat down Miss Monica farm. Near me down flat. And look how time hard. You know, see how the place dry, honey?
But I know that me here. When you come off of the phone with this
Okay.
sister,
Sorry about that, sister. Is my husband was asking me what happened and I was letting him know what happened. So a peer bangarang they happen there now. But I don't blame her at all. But that not supposed to squash down at all, so I don't know who is telling her that. No, sir. It's long time people in the village talking about that man and he Wally Park many goat them where they antagonize people, drag people places, so drag it there, sir.
honey,
Somebody have to put a stop into it.
honey, that is not your business, you know, honey.
You realize that I'm on the phone talking to somebody?
But honey, when you talk that now, they not go want to care about your name, honey.
They're not carrying my name, it's my friend. It's my friend. What's wrong with you? Me on the phone and I can't talk in peace? Are you really reading? No, it's my husband telling me to slow down and something. Nobody pay him no mind for you know head no hot
I
at all.
didn't say that. I said come off of the phone.
Oh, I must come off of the phone and I'm talking to somebody. You ever talking to anybody and I tell you to come off the phone? Sister, you don't know my husband, you know. Him telling me to hang up the phone because you're telling me about what is happening in the village. Him they tell me to hang up on you. You see that him not have any manners or respect?
I'm trying to get you out of problem.
Don't get me out of the problem and mix up for me
Because
not
when
in
you're in a
any.
mix up now, you want jog me night and I'm not going to in it with you this
Lord
time.
have mercy.
So the
Mama,
best thing for you do come off of that
sweetheart, hold on a little bit. What you just said to me? What you just said? When me in a mix up, me drag you in it? You ever gonna defend me? You see, if I wasn't, let her hang up with her before I deal with your case. I'm sorry about that. No, we're not quarreling at all. You know, I don't know what is wrong with Jeremiah. Whenever we're talking, he's telling me to come off the phone because him say him not like the gossip. And when me done, him ask me everything, you know. You ever hear anybody stay so? Him want know what is happening, but yet till him say me if you come off of the phone for the tour, we gossip too much. Yes, that's what him say, we gossip too much. Is him chat too much too? Nobody pay no mind, my sister. Yeah, so what the hell you saying? That she said she's going to carry him to court? I don't blame her as what me was saying before Jeremiah cut me. She should have carry him go to court. Because if you cannot manage so much goat, you know, give them where sell them out for a little of nothing like what we did when we had ours. He had the one for goat them all over the torture people. Lord of mercy. That man is not my cup of tea at all.
Honey.
Because I see him so... Yes?
Come off of the phone, honey.
I'm coming. I'm coming. I see that whatever you have in your stomach, they boil up. I go and burn you up with whatever they boil up for your stomach. Honey, tell you what, as I was saying before, I'm coming off the phone because Jeremiah said I should come off and I have to attend to him now. You remember the last time when for him go up them come and yam down the wall of the flowers, them and the fence flat down the place and everything dry up? And when me they quarrel, everybody, all in picnic, them come now and come cuss me off. Just because me said to him, say, police should shoot off all of the goats them because he don't want them. And they think that I'm evil about that. No meeting match. I don't blame Miss Monica. Carry him go and court, go strip him of every cent I have. Since as him go like him a bad man in the village.
That is that
Show him who.
behavior, honey.
Huh? What you say a while ago? Show him who is the bad woman in the village. You know what is wrong with people nowadays? They think that Christian don't have any power and authority on this Alania. Everything people do to them, we should take it. Them backs we go, them backs we come. We must turn every cheek and make them finish it. But praise the Lord, he meet him matched. Yes. Me know sister say you're glad too. Alright, I'm coming up on the phone because Jeremiah wants to say something. Oh Lord. Yes, my sister. Alright, go up there for yourself because you don't want anybody to carry the wrong news to you.
Honey, why you love the gossiping, sir? For your church woman. Everybody call you try to dig out gossip and tell them this and tell them that. Honey, when you gonna stop the gossiping? You know, say this thing is sick me nowadays with you and the gossiping. You don't have anything productive to do in the yard morning time more than gossip.
Lord!
It'll get to my brain now, man.
Honey.
Every morning the phone rings, somebody with a different gossiping to you. And you're inveigled with it. You don't hear the two sides of the story.
I don't need to hear the two sides of the story. I know that the man
His
won't
sister
have
Monica,
the whole place.
his sister Monica go down her own farm here down at the shop. And
I
she
don't
got
believe
to
that.
him the 100 goat now. She a put the blame upon him for try get some money. I tell you that she love to
The
you
poor
see your
sister.
mouth pan, you see that mouth there? I bet you said put you in a something where you can't come out of.
What you mean by my mouth and put me in something? If you talk the truth, say she have a right to carry him go what? Did I say anything wrong about that? You talking about every morning me the phone they gossip. Where you see me gossiping?
When you tell her that when you come to the end of the day, a fear go eat on her farm, how that a go look on you?
How it a go
when
look
she
on
go
me?
spread your name, say you say she do the right.
Well, if she spread my name, me spread her name, say she call me because
I
you
love
see me
the
the
gossiping too much.
You see me leaving
Because you
here?
there upon your phone, you don't have your Bible beside me and reading the word to me. That you should be doing every morning. You're there on the phone. When none of this one you call you, that the one they call you with story.
You're
Whenever
right.
become a judge.
You know you're right.
It come like say you is the village judge. Because
Me
everybody
look
come,
like village
come
judge?
to you to story for you defend it.
Jeremiah.
Everybody come to you with their story for you
I'm
defend
talking.
it. Because you where they call it, you is the judge of the city. Madam Josiah the judge.
I am not Madam Josiah, no judge. And you're saying something about I should be reading the Bible to you.
That's what you should be doing.
I don't say
Instead of
no.
on the phone
That
gossiping.
is true. That
you see
is
the time when you have gossip, you know how much God will do for it if you spend time on the phone. If you come off of the phone.
You're right.
You see this thing here? This thing is your hideout and it's going to send you to hell.
You dash the phone, give
That's
me.
where it's going to send you.
Send me to hell.
Right here.
Likewise, the newspaper going to send you to hell because you
I am
said to
catching
me,
up what happening in
catching
the
up on
world.
what you don't need to catch up. Catch up on the word of God. Same like how you say I should read the Bible to you. Why you never put this down every morning? You buy Gleaner.
But I'm catching up what happening in the world, honey.
I don't want to hear garbage.
But you want to hear garbage on the phone though.
This is all lies they're putting in here. You did see when it happened? You get up every day reading about this, that happened to people. Did you see?
Did you see when the goat got...
Yes, my friend, see what is happening. And
Okay.
that's the reason why she called me and
honey.
tell me.
You see when you end up where you end up?
Yes, let's
Don't
get up
call
here.
me no
Call you
mix
for
up
what? Call you
Every
for
time
what?
there's a mix up, you're dragging me in it. Don't
I
get
drag
me
you in
involved
here?
in it, right?
Lord have mercy, have
What you going to do this morning? Because
I don't want you in a rush and ask me no question. No, ask me nothing. Don't ask me anything. Read your Gleaner. Mr. Preacher. You preaching and telling me to repent while you yourself going deep down in a hell with your newspaper. I'm going outside to rake. And anytime you see me again on my phone, and you, Mr. Badman, drag it away, then you're going to know who is Madam Josiah in here.
Jeremiah lose a school this morning. You mean to tell me that this man drag where the phone nearly pop out me as well? Eh? And him know who him have to deal with and him a hang me like say, me's a boto. Me say, if I wasn't on my good side this morning, dog near me supper. That me I tell him, oh, him come and style me like me a little girl.
Josiah. Yo, Josiah.
Josiah? Is who you calling Josiah?
Yeah, you me come to, you know.
You who? Who you talking to? Whenever time your ma teach your manners, then you can call me.
When money the way you and blacks rob. Look for your gate or your gate nice. Where my money there?
Bad mind boy. All cross is dirty heart boy. What you talking about?
So where my money there?
Which money you talking about?
My woman no give money
see
to get me gate done and I'll know. Every day 2 months
Your
no.
woman give me money. Did you give me anything? Did you give me? Move away from me gate. Move. You don't have it. What you just did?
Josiah,
You
Listen
know
me.
how much I pay for this?
listen me.
I
Me
said
respect
take
your
hand out.
husband, you know.
I said, if you know how much money I pay for this, did I tell you you couldn't pull this gate and come in here?
You hear what me say?
Eh?
Me respect your husband, you know.
So
Where
what?
my money there?
So what?
Me a call blacks and woman a call blacks every minute a voicemail we are getting, you know. And you take the money, me don't know if I name the money
Who
or why,
name
you
your
know,
money?
because you look
Who
hungry
need-
from the other day,
Who
you know.
need no dirty, stinking money, boy?
Me tell my wife if you avoid you, you know.
Jesus.
Me tell her
Listen
if you
to me.
avoid you, you know.
All right, you tell your wife
tell
you
her if
avoid me.
you avoid-
You make the gate lick me. Go back through the gate. Go back.
Where my money there,
Go
Josiah?
back through the gate.
Where my money there?
Why me know why you come through the gate and feel like you can style me in here, you know?
So where my
What
money
you
there?
mean where your money there? I give it to blacks to build on look a cheap gate.
So
That
why?
is the reason why blacks don't build it yet if you don't say you don't get it because it is too cheap. That little bit of money there, you come there, come call me Josiah. Your mama
Jeremiah.
don't call me husband. Him not there. Him gone out.
Listen
And I
me.
will call blacks for
Me
you.
need you to call blacks before
Yes,
before
I
you
will
make
call.
things get dangerous.
Get dangerous where?
Me need you to call blacks and tell him say me need back my money. Make me go somewhere else, go get a different welder to build a gate for me. Because to me, you and blacks is too big can artists.
Me
Look
and
how
blacks
this
is
a
which
gate
can
a big
artist?
and he done this in time. Why my little gate in can't come
Lord,
finish?
Lord, that is what killing you know up on the in the village, I know. Oh, so because me and my husband put up big gate, dirty heart then yam out. That is why we feel good and tell the welder put up a big one. That when anybody they pass, it won't pass them. They would have to look on it
Listen
and
me.
see that we have a big gate here. Hit
Listen
them
to
yam
what me I
out your
tell you
heart.
say now, right?
A dirty your heart, dirty.
Make sure say me get my money or get the gate by the latest me I give you at this mountain here.
Lord.
Any of this mountain here pass, I mean I
All
get
right.
my gate. Me and you go roll because you take the money.
All right,
You hear
bad
me say?
man.
Me and you go roll, you know.
Yes, all right.
You hear
You're
me tell you?
threatening me. It's threatening you,
Me
threatening
a
me.
threaten you.
All right, you
You
say
can
me
go
and
tell
you
the
go
police
roll.
that me and you go
I
roll.
don't have to carry nothing to any police because me is me one bad woman. But let me tell you this. Me sister already, I they kill you, make you say you they go buy gate to put on. I go
Listen
and
me.
get back your dirty money
Get
and
it,
give
give me.
it back to you. Because
That if you have
we
blacks
have
on, you have
gate,
it off already.
we don't need food no money because
Excuse
we don't know where you get it from.
Excuse
You
what I'm
understand?
aware.
Me not coming out of the way.
Woman, move out of my way now for me cheer up, you know.
Aaron, what you trying? You trying to fight the whole lady just because me put on my big gate? You come here. Lord have mercy. Aaron, come out of me yard before me. Aaron, come out. Don't come back here again. You hear what me say, old ugly boy? Little criminal. Dirty heart boy. And now me realize what really they name out to no heart because Lord have mercy to me. Husband make we build big gate. Everybody they can't bad mind for with Jesus Christ. But I thought blacks fix them gate for them already. Oh Lord, I have to call blacks then and let him know that. Oh God, Errol fight me off. God.
Josiah feel say I pick up money, you know. But make me not get my gate mountain and she go see what I go take place, you know. Oh.
Let me call blacks. Lord have mercy. I don't know what kind of distress this blacks put me in, you know, man. I thought the man give the people them their whole piece of gate already. I can't believe Sam do this to me. I cannot believe it. I don't want my husband hear me over the phone again, you know. Can't take the bangarang from him. I'm not getting him at all. Then Black no tell me same change in number. Oh, he's calling me back. Hello, good morning. Blacks, how you fi do that to me, man? I can't talk too loud, you know, because I don't want my husband to hear me over the phone. Blacks, you let Errol come beat me off this morning. You don't give them the old dirty piece of gate yet.
What do you mean by error? What do you mean, no, Mr. Josiah?
A while ago, Errol come and attack me and grab me up and shake me for him money. Say how me have on big gate and how it's just a small gate you're building for them and all. Now you don't go and put it on, and you tell me that you would do it in less than a month, Blacks, and now it's him say it's 2 months. Blacks, what is wrong with you?
Oh, that's why Petra been calling me this morning, and I got the call, you know. Mr. Josiah, remember to me, I've had a run at me, you know, man, so then just have to just beat, you know.
Blacks, you cannot do that, man. Then, but you make me give you the people them money, Blacks. Blacks, you want me and your mother to fall out. I tell everybody about you that you're a good boy, Blacks, but you not go on good.
Mr. Josiah, me not this morning, you drop my spirit, you know, you later.
Blacks, you're talking about crampy. Lord, what a dirty, worthless boy. I never knew that this boy was this old cross. After him get the people their money, him talk about him not in this morning. I hang up and I calling him back. Him can't do that. I thought that this young man give the people and they're sitting. They have all right to quarrel. Blacks, oh, you feisty and out of order, so why you hang up on me? You know what rude to me? Rude to me, rude to your nasty self. You take the people and bag of money and don't want to build their gate to come and talk about rude to me. You let me look client for you, and then when you're done, you're not giving the people them what they pay for. You're coming about rude to me. Little old nasty thief, get the people them sitting and give them and come off my phone. This boy want me and him. You know what? Why me not know what me get myself into, you know? It's the same thing my husband was just saying. Say, anytime me in a mix up, try not drag him in there. Alright, let me just go back down. Don't want. I hope him not hear me.
Girlie, I mean to tell you, me say one problem upon the other. You don't know, say this morning, Errol gone down at Josiah yard. Gone quarrel with the woman. I talk about all me and Josiah do is gossip. To be honest, me not say enough to upset over this situation, you know. Me give Josiah 200,000 for build one gate, for make Blacks build one gate, because she wouldn't get it at a better rate. You understand me? And it's over 2 months, I don't see a penny and I don't see gates. So this morning now, through me a call Blacks and can't get him. Me wake him up and tell him about it. You know, say I'm going on upon a piece of rage. He can't go and put himself in a trouble. I know me I put myself in a trouble. Because I know I fear go along so. Me know say him upset, yeah, but that no means that because him upset him and go put himself in a trouble. Me no, I can't tell you what I'm going to do or what I'm going to say, girl. Why me there and me stressed up till Me I go down a Blacks. Me I go down there because if him go down a Josiah, me I go down a Blacks yard. What you mean by you say Blacks not there far away now?
Honey.
You're joking.
Honey.
In they come, so we'll chat to you later. Yes? Come on. What is your problem now?
Yo, me just a come from down there, you know.
And?
And the woman a come up in my face, me have to push her down there, man. After me go down there, tell her, I say, yo, when me gate there. You understand?
What you mean
she
by
can't
push
give me an account when me gate there or nothing. To me, she and Blacks a scam the money in that.
Stop telling them something about the woman. Stop telling them about the woman. Listen, Me not in a it
Me
with you
tell you,
this
say, I'm
morning.
your friend, you know. He's not my friend, you know. Me tell you that every minute, you know. When it come on to my
Yes,
money, me no ramp, you know.
Yeah, but
You hear me tell you?
Errol,
Alright.
she's my friend, but that's not the point. The point is you said to me, say you go down there and shoot down the woman. Me not think say
And the woman that me pull the gate and go in and the woman that come up in my face and something. Me have to back her out of my face. So what you mean?
Hey.
What you mean?
Wait.
And me say,
Errol.
I call the man, she come and tell me about say, yo, Jeremiah and there. Me say, I just do certain things, you know, me not go in there and shot him all a box to, you know. Because he must know what go on in, you know. Honey, listen to me, man.
Errol, when
You see, all of them something you cost, you know. All of them something you cost, you know. You understand what I say to you?
cost, what you mean by
All of them something you cost, you know. And you are the root of them things. And
Me
you
are the
chat
root
chatting.
of what?
I make you feel like that she can do things, you know. This man me a prove to her, say, listen me, you are not a friend. Me and her are not a friend. And me go down there, me cause problem down there.
You already caused problem. You see you pull the woman gate and go over the woman here. Where you go over there for? Where you go over
Listen
there
me,
for?
I know you talk to me before you pick up the box instead of Jeremiah, you know. I know you talk to me, you know. So when you talk to me, you try to calm down. You hear what me I say?
Errol.
The calm is you can be big. I better for you right now.
What you just said?
I'm well eaten right
You're
now.
well eaten. So when you say eat it, you come box me too because you, Jeremiah, you and box Jeremiah, you come box me.
So now two of them down there sit down and I have my money.
Stop talking them something about the people in the youth. You see, if you ever hold them conversation, they not listen to you, you know. You see these kind of dirty conversation about people behind them back, me not go support you if me know say nothing go so. You hear what me I say?
You make breakfast this morning?
Me don't make a breakfast because me change it, me dad change the sheet and tidy up in the house.
So I'm
And
never
me
eat
say,
before me go
you
away.
don't have to eat because the way you're upset, you shouldn't want nothing to eat. You shouldn't want nothing to eat. Me can't believe what you just said to me. You pull the woman
Listen
gate.
me I tell you one thing as of now. You see, if later me come back and me not get my money for my gate, me I go have it out in here. You hear me say? Me I go have it out and me I go for the police and bring them go.
Why you don't want to go for police to bring them go?
Because when me a far as when me a hear, cause me get mad when me a reach out and shop them and tell me say, as she and Black Slick head, she a get half of her quarter of the cut of the money.
Stop
She get client for Blacks and then they sit down and yam the money.
Stop telling them something now. It's because the two of them pair Black's mother and she a friend then grew up together.
No tell
Yeah,
me
that's the
nothing
reason
how
why
people
she
know
tried to
everything
wire.
war go on. She get a cut of the money.
That's a one thing me don't like with you. You see you? Anybody if you care gossip come give you don't care. You all the way
You no chat about gossip, you know.
You sit down
You
and
no
you
chat
take
about
care
that,
of
you know,
believe-
because you
believe
are a
what
batty
people say.
and chamber, you know.
So what?
Anything you pick up fear, you know.
It's not pick up
You
here.
know what I say?
The point is you hear that because you upset on a past. I could have somebody who don't like her. Don't tell you about
Everybody in
that.
our village don't like her.
Everybody don't
because
like
they know
her.
say
Why?
she evil.
Evil in what way? What way is she evil? What way is she evil?
You know what? Me come
Yeah,
to work,
as
you know,
usual.
because as me tell
That's
you
your
now,
fiddle.
me tell you something.
That's your fiddle.
Make sure so when me come in, me get my money.
You go get your money.
You hear what me say?
You go get your money.
Anyway, if you go borrow it from,
Me
or
not
if you have to
borrow
go
it.
thief it,
Thief it for what?
make sure me get my money. Because me come in and you tell me say you don't get my money, me go batter you in here. No? Oh.
Errol, when since you turn bad man? When since you turn bad man? Errol, me not done with you. You mean to tell me, say, you come and tell me about say you're going to the woman pull gate, gone in the woman yard, gone shoot down woman and how you want box down the woman husband. Eh? In a them one place, and you come up and heated one box me down. You should have tried that with me this morning. You should have tried with me. Tell me something. Me never say you're wrong if you go ask about your money. But you're wrong if you go down the woman here, go talk about you, go shoot down the woman. She should have called police for you, that she should have do. Me have to go try find a way to get him money because me not in the bang around with him this evening when he come in, you know. Me not in a it with him. Let me go call somebody to find out the Blacks down there and go down there to Blacks.
I wonder what kind of big old commotion that out the door. I wonder out there chat you now. Me say that woman that nah keep her mouth under subjection, you know. I wonder out there now that big old nice there now.
Jeremiah?
How when you reach yourself?
What you looking for through the window?
Me not just hear them big old knives out there say you are smarty man and all. Me a try if you look, me can't see nobody.
You sure you hear somebody out there? Huh?
Don't take me for a fool.
I'm not taking you for a fool. I'm asking
One
you.
out there in that big old knives out there, so.
It is Errol come down there to talk to me.
So you have to go round, my wife and a chat all about the place. And the big old knives with me here that you can't tone down. Eh?
Honey, it's not a big noise like that. It's not so big that everybody could hear. But you know that Errol come down here and Errol, I don't want to say anything to you, you know, because everything you're loud up over. I don't know if I should tell you.
If you don't want to tell me, that's fine with me and my wife, because that now have nothing to do with me now, if you want to tell me or not.
You know that Errol...
But when time somebody come to you, you can talk lower than that.
Well, he come because he is upset about something and he wants me to help him solve the problem. You know, so that's the reason why he was talking so loud.
So what kind of problem he want when I talk to you so loud now?
Honey, you know that his wife give me $200,000 to build the gate, right? You remember that I tell you about it?
No. You don't tell me nothing about it.
I didn't tell her that Petra give me $265,000 to build a gate. I didn't tell you.
I cannot recall that.
I tell you about it.
Listen me, my wife, if you want to say something to me, you say it, but please tone down that voice.
But when you're talking like I am a liar, and I remember clearly that I tell you one night on the bed when they give me the money, I tell you that I have $265,000 for blacks to build a gate for them.
Well, my wife, I cannot recall.
You
might tell
recall.
me, but I cannot recall. Too much thing in my head, my wife, so I just cannot recall that.
Alright, well you don't remember. Well, I am telling you what happened now. I tell you about it a few months ago, right? And I give blacks the money. Things that the people them gate hang on up at them yard. You don't know say blacks take the money all no. The boy said blacks no come up there.
So hold on, stick a pin right here. So did you call back blacks and find out if him did finish the gate?
I did not call him at the time because he told me.
And how much months you say now?
You're mixing me up in a honey. I called blacks a few weeks after and I said blacks, because of you I can't straighten out me one mouth. I said blacks, you fix the people and get blacks say that's what him doing right now and him going to put it on today. That was like 2 to 3 weeks.
So he tell you that he was going to put it on.
He was going to put it on the same day.
But my wife, listen to me.
You're confusing me.
If somebody
like
give you their money, right? And blacks tell you that he was going to put it on the same day. Why you didn't call back blacks and find out if him did get through by putting on the gate?
The reason why I didn't call blacks because me and Petra talk every morning. And she never tell me that she didn't get the gate. So I think that everything was okay, honey.
But my wife, if you take somebody money, you could have even suggested to Petra if the gate did put on.
I didn't remember.
You go wrong there. You remember every other thing, but when it come on to chatting, you know everything. But when it come on to business, listen me. Nowadays, people killing people for less than a gate, and you get well at 260,000.
You don't have to repeat the people in money.
260,000.
You know what
people can do to you know what the young man could have come here and do to you for so much money.
What? That is another thing for me to tell you.
What if him did come with any pipe and push you down?
Push who down?
You.
Push me down? You must be crazy or something. Honey, you know what hurt me most of all? Is ready why them talk about them going to put on gate to you know. Because they don't have nowhere for them yard to put on gate because the whole of the back of the yard. No have no wire, no nothing, but yet still they want one gate to put at the front of the yard. You hear them come down here what the little nasty brain boy said to me? As the nasty brain boy catch, the boy pull me gate and come through and talk about look pa phone no gate. Look, tell me now if that's not a bad mind.
actually I don't see where that is bad, man, because him see you have on a nice gate, honey, and him cannot get female. So him a go come eat it and say anything, honey. And by right, what you say, bad mind. Everybody can have a gate, honey. Everybody are trying to secure up themselves because we in the last day now. You know, want nobody come in your yard like that. So him entitled to have a gate also. So what you said here, I'm not going to agree with you.
Mouth really cut too.
I'm not going to agree with you.
You know say mouth really cut too, yeah? You a bad person would have said their heart dirty because they follow me on there. And no, because me calling us something when me collect people money. You want to make things look bad on me. I don't say no, but you wouldn't quarrel say they're ready. Because I told you that the boy come in at the place and say, how we have a big pretty gate. That's what I tell you. So now must ready and ready,
Can I talk?
Because the whole village talking about our good looking gate.
Can I talk?
That's the reason why I come down here to come beat me up.
Can I talk now, honey?
Yes, you can talk.
When the people them did I make them house right up there, so right? And then we come now and I dig out a foundation, so we going to build this house, honey. All the other people them never say a true. Them a build the house, we come right here, so no one a build house and we bad mind.
Because it is our land and it was wasting away. So that's the reason why we
they
come
never
to
say bad mind, so you have to split justice. It's the same thing with Errol.
Same thing what?
Want to fix up him yard so him yard can be secure.
Secure round and back we don't have nothing wire fence round there for control goat and down from over it.
I'm not
Alright honey.
Gonna go
anyway, we're not going into
what
that.
You need to
I
do
understand what you
is
said.
to go down a black's yard and sort out the people
I am
money.
going to do that, honey, but I have
because
something.
you're not going to drag me in any problem
Drag you?
and make anything come fall down for me through your carelessness. You understand?
Honey, I did
First
not
of
know.
all, people come to you about this. You're not a banker. You carry them to blacks and make them give blacks the money. You
It's
not
because me and I was his friend.
Friend and company when it come on to business, you don't have no friend. You understand? You see how much money? Carry them to blacks and say, blacks, this person here want a gate and I'm a good friend. If you can take off $1 for it, you take it off. Why you want to take up it like say you and blacks are a relative?
It's my friend pick me, you know.
Well, you are your friend, Pitney, go sort it out.
I
Now
have
drag
something
me in
else.
this.
I'm not dragging
Don't drag
into
me
it,
in
but
it.
I want to tell you the last episode of the show. The last part of the movie. You know what's him fight me up over me 1 yard, him pull the gate and come over here and shoot me down? I miss my face.
No, don't bother with that. Don't bother with that crime. Don't bother with that crime.
Why?
Because you were talking so strong a while ago. Don't feel like me gonna have any pity for you. Don't bother with that. You see how fast you start laugh now? Don't bother with that, honey. Because that's not going to catch me today. Every time when you want me to have self-pity and you start the fear cry. It's not going to work today. Go down to Black's yard and sort out the people them gate. It not going to catch me today. Me not get tough like stone. Not dry up them tears out of your eye.
You really doing me like that?
Okay.
Me, your wife?
Get some rest.
Honey, I said I want to shut me down. Oh Lord, my husband turned for me. Alright, since that black put me in a serious problem, I am going down there to see him. Ah.
I only hope that Blacks is there, you know. Because he's a man where whenever time you go on yard, you cannot find him. He trying to make me and him in a nothing at all this morning. Oh. Come on, here, come on. I never know that this boy is a little criminal.
Josiah didn't even know how she a ramp with, you know. She didn't even know when it come on to my money, me a ramp, you know. Just hold on till later, man.
But wait, that not look like a black they come? The same thing I was talking about. This boy not turn on yard, you know. It's a good thing say me come to make me catch him. Howdy, Mr. Blacks.
Where you want?
I'm not in any argument with you. I'm not in no argument with you. Where the people their money?
Me
Where
and I
Petra-
done discuss something a while, a short while ago.
Discuss what? What you talking about?
Me not done tell you, I'm to tell you already.
What you tell me? What you tell me, Blacks? I said where the people their money?
So you approach me.
So what other way you want me to approach you, bad man?
You approach me better than that, man.
I said
the first thing
morning,
you see me, I come, you come and approach me about money, man.
I said morning, Mr. Blacks. So something wrong with that kind of approach?
No, but the first thing you come greet me with where people have money, they like say me I walk around and I rob people money.
I didn't say that. I did not. Blacks? Oh, Lord, for heaven's sake, please, I cannot take no more argument for the rest of the day about this money. In the name of the Lord, just
Don't
give me,
preach to me right now.
Petra. Just give me the people their money. You understand me? And I don't have nothing more to say to you. I didn't know that you were this kind of criminal.
Well, this, cause certain work a problem, you know. Me not take up certain work, you know. Well, this and the other money where you take your cut out, you put it on it, you know. Well,
the other money want me take me cut out.
You know, not 200,000, not the 50, you gotta get me all stomach.
65,000.
So you take out it, you know, put it back on it and give back to
I
people.
don't have it because that one, this wasn't the plan. Take back the money and give them the gate, Blacks, because I cannot
The
find
bush
65.
gate, no, I do no work, certain work are crosses. You don't for me, them don't for me. Listen, lady man, give them back them 68,000, man.
Blacks, I cannot find the 65,000. I use
Every
it
time
already.
you bring client to me put something in your pocket. And you see him one now come and make it hard for me like say, yo, you know what me talk about it.
Blacks, what you talking about?
Every time you bring client to me not give you money out of it.
Lord have...
Eh? Me not give you a cut out of it. You go like say, me alone I get the whole of the money.
But why you loading up your mouth like that? Blacks,
When you don't load up for me when we work
Blacks,
as them.
tone down a man. Tone down. Blacks, this is not... I didn't come here for that, you know. I come here for you to just put on the gate, man. Please, I am begging in the name of God, if you could just take back the 200,000 and just build the gate and give them, because I cannot find the 65,000. I don't have it. You can't do that for me.
No, do nothing certain work as me tell you say crosses. And me see say where this a lead up to, this a lead up to police. You understand?
That?
I mean in
How
this.
police don't come into this now?
Because you are come out at me and them a call me. So when time they come to me now and something with me I just, if you give me it and then come to me, I go give them back them 200,000 and tell them to go to your rest, you know. I mean I stand up and take no disrespect, you know.
Blacks, you're really doing that to our old lady?
Me no response, listen no man, me no response to the whole whole, you know.
Since that you don't respond for me,
Where are they? Where are they? Let me go.
Blacks, what you plan to do?
Let me go.
Blacks, what you want
Put you down, you say no man. Where you come and grab up? You know how me?
Blacks, please, don't. I didn't.
You know how me? You put you down, you know man.
Blacks, you really pulled that pipe on me?
You put you down, you say no man. Oh, you come and grab me. You make me look like a son.
No, Blacks. Oh Lord, Blacks, I'm
Yo,
sorry.
don't ramp with me now, man.
Blacks,
You take me light, you know.
I don't take you. Blacks, you don't hear that you will go to prison.
Don't
if you
tell
have
me
these
about no
things.
prison, man. You push you down, you say, you know,
Push me
like how
down.
nobody, you say a lonely road and just drag you, go dash you somewhere, you know.
I am your mother's best friend and you
Yeah,
put
you're
on
no
me.
friend.
Me and you not friend and we were doing business together for
We
so
not do
many
no business
years.
together. The business is mash up now. Give people and then 268,000. You hear me I say?
Oh,
As long as you live when you see me, you know, come grab me up like say me and your
I'm
friend.
sorry, Blacks. I won't come back to you about nothing. Blacks, as from today, I will leave you alone, alright?
Listen me.
Oh,
Woman, just
no.
avoid me if you know a good fear. You hear me I tell you? Just avoid me.
God.
Because you catch me in a one bad mood, you know.
Oh, Lord. Oh, look what greed caused me. Oh, Jesus, where I'm going to get the 65,000 from to pay the people them and I already use it. Lord, you see what I put myself into. Oh, Lord, Blacks could have dealt with me here, you know. Lord, help me to change me ways, God, because me can't answer. Oh, Jesus. I hope nobody didn't see what happened. Let me go home and go fix up some money and give the people them money. Lord Jesus, help me, Jesus.